Good morning, children. Today we will discuss about the fifth chapter, what we get from plants. Okay. In the previous class we discussed about the vegetables and fruits, pulses and also spices. Today we will discuss about the cereals. 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 Okay, in these cereals, but which are called as cereals? Wheat, rice, oats, barley, corn. These we are calling them as the cereals. These are examples of the cereals which we are eating. Okay. From where we are getting? We are getting from that is the seeds, from the seeds of these plants. Okay. They are these wheat, rice, barley, oats, corn. These are nothing but the seeds of which plants? Seeds of wheat plant we are getting wheat. Seeds of rice plant we are getting rice. Seeds of barley we are getting barley. Seeds of corn we are getting the corn. These are the examples of cereals. Okay. Next here. Next coming to the beverages. Only small information, little information given for you children. This is enough for you. In the higher classes you will be studying more and more. Now next about the beverages. 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 Beverages means you are knowing about that one. They are nothing but they are refreshing drinks. They are giving refreshment for our body, for our mind. From where we are getting beverages? We are getting beverages from the tea plants, from the coffee. Which are called as beverages? Tea, coffee, nimbu pani. Okay. This we are calling it as the beverages. From where we are getting beverages of this coffee and tea? Coffee we are getting from the coffee plants. Tea we are getting from the tea plants. Okay. Here generally if you are seeing, tea is made from the leaves of the tea plant. Tea plant is having leaves, no? From the leaves of the tea plant we are getting the tea. And coffee also like that only, not coffee here. Coffee is made from the beans. Beans of the coffee is made from the beans of the coffee plant. Okay. Here you see, tea is made from the, where tea we are getting? From the leaves of the tea plant. Leaves. Okay. If you are seeing the coffee, COFFE, coffee. Coffee we are getting from the beans of the coffee plant. Beans means inside we are having seeds, no? Coffee plant is having seeds inside, no? From that we are calling that one as a beans. From the beans of the coffee plant we are getting the coffee. From the leaves of the tea plant we are getting the tea. Okay, other nimbu pani. Pani means water. Okay, nimbu pani, you can say orange juice. Okay, nimbu pani and fruit juices. These are the prepared beverages that we are getting from the fruits. That is very good for our health, children. You have to drink nimbu pani and also fruit juices which we are preparing at home. Directly we are using the fruit and we are mixing, and or we are doing that is we are taking the juice from that fruit, and if you are drinking, that is also prepared beverages from the fruits. That is also very good for our health. You have to drink. Okay, children. Okay, this is about the beverages. That is, beverages are refreshing drinks. They are giving refreshment. Okay, to our body, to our mind. They are the refreshing drinks, we can say. Okay. Next coming to the oil. Okay, next oil. 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 From where we are getting oil? We are also getting oil from the plants. This oil we are using for the cooking purpose, for cooking our food, for cooking our curry. We need compulsory, we need oil. And for other purpose also we need the oil. Okay, can you give the examples of oil? You know, which we are using in our daily life. If you are going to the kitchen and if you are asking your mummy, she will say about the oil. You are using, generally you are using the sunflower oil. That is good for our health also. Here sunflower oil, mustard oil. Okay, sunflower oil means పొద్దుతిరుగుడు నూనె. Mustard oil means ఆవ నూనె, you can say. ఆవాల నూనె. These are taken out from where? From the seeds of the sunflower plants, from the mustard plants. From the sunflower plants we are getting the sunflower oil. From the mustard plants we are getting the mustard oil. And also other examples if we are giving, coconut oil. Coconut oil is taken from the fruits of the coconut. If you are seeing the coconut, from the coconut we are taking the coconut oil. You know this one, which we are using for hair purpose, coconut oil. And also somebody are using for the cooking purpose also. And olive oil. This also we are taking the from the fruits of the olive plants. Olive oil also is very very good for our health, which we are using for the skin purpose also. And for the cooking also we are using olive oil. It is so costly, somebody using it, but generally we are using the sunflower oil only. Okay, olive oil also good for our health, but it is so much precious, it is costly. Okay, that's why we are not using regular. Okay, here other eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil, spelling is EUCALYPTUS, eucalyptus oil. Where we are getting this eucalyptus oil? We are getting this eucalyptus oil. It is taken out from the leaves of the eucalyptus trees. It's taken from the leaves. Leaves of what? Leaves of the eucalyptus trees will be there, no? From that eucalyptus trees we are getting the eucalyptus oil. This also we are not using, but here this is also the oil name. Okay children. Okay, next coming to the, this is about the oil which you have to know. Next coming to the wood. Wood, you know what is wood, you know. Wood. Wood. Here coming to the wood, where we are getting this wood? All of you know that we are getting wood from the trees. From trees we are getting the wood. Okay, wood from plants, just some trees you can say. For example, teak wood if you are seeing, rosewood you are seeing. This is used for making what? Doors and also windows. We are having in our house, we are having doors and windows, no? That wood is made from the trees, that is teak wood and rosewood. Somebody using teak wood, that is so costly. Somebody using rosewood also, somewhat not that much cost as teak wood. Teak wood and rosewood, these are used for making doors and windows. Generally for main door we are using the teak wood, and for other windows and inside doors we are using the rosewood and other woods also there. You know that for furniture also we are using the wood. Wood is also used to make the furniture. What is the meaning of furniture? Chairs, tables, sofa, everything. Dining table. Okay, dining table, chairs, everything, that is wood. Nowadays they are using the sofa, that is not wood, other than wood also there, but the wood is very very good. If you are using this wood as sofa, for we can use this furniture to make the furniture also, we are using the wood. Okay, for boxes, for making the boxes, for making the teapot, for making the reading table, everything we are using the wood. Okay, that is, if we are making the furniture with the wood, the life will be more and more, it won't break easily. Okay. Next, in some places if you are seeing, houses are also made from wood only. Okay, houses also made from wood, but here in cities we are not having that one, but in some places we can see that one. If you are seeing the fire, wood is also used to make fire. If you are keeping one or more wood, and if you are firing, we will get the fire also. For cooking purpose they are using in olden days. Wood is also used to make the fire in olden days. Nowadays also simply they are using to make fire. That is, we are getting the from wood, these so many benefits we are having from the wood. This we are getting from the trees only. Okay. Next, coming to the fibers. Next, coming to the fibers, we can say. Fibers. Fibres. Next, fibers. Okay. Where we are getting these fibers? Example. Okay. That is cotton, jute, bamboo sticks. Okay. Bamboo, you can say. These are the fibers. We are calling them. These we are getting from the plants. If you are going to village and if you are seeing the cotton, okay, which we are using for puja purpose and which we are using for other purposes, and this we are getting from the plants only. Jute plant, bamboo plant, these are the fibers we are getting from the plants. These fibers, they are used to make the cloths, they are used to make the bags, they are used to make the ropes also. Okay, this is about the fibers. Just I will show you the diagram, children, so that you can understand easily. This is the cotton. If you are seeing this, a cotton plant, you can say cotton plant. This is a jute plant. Just you see here, you can understand jute plant. This we are making the bag and cloths. If you are seeing here, just this is nimbu pani. This is coffee. This is tea. This is a coconut oil. This is a sunflower oil. This is a mustard oil. Okay, this is the wood. Wood, you can say. Okay. Next, coming to the medicines. MEDICINES. Coming to the medicines. Here, some plants are having medicinal value. Okay, just as these plants, they are equal to medicine only. We are taking, if we are getting the fever, we are taking the tablet paracetamol or something other one. These some plants are having that property also. That is, they are having medicinal value. Okay, for example, if you are seeing tulsi leaves, you are keeping in front of your house, no? Tulsi in English you are calling it as the basil, BASIL, basil. Basil leaves. This is, we are using for puja purpose, this one. Basil leaves. Tulsi leaves, you can see. Tulsi chettu, tulsi kota. If you are seeing the eucalyptus leaves, okay, these are just, if you are seeing the basil leaves, they are used for, hello, okay, if you are seeing the basil leaves, that is tulsi leaves, it is having medicinal value. If you are eating the leaves, that is very very good, and it is used to cure common cold also. Okay, if you are using the eucalyptus oil, this is also used to cure the common cold. If you are using the clove, lavangam, this is also used to cure the common cold. These plants, these are having the medicinal value. If you are seeing this turmeric paste, okay, it can be used to heal the wounds. If you are having any wound in your body parts, hands or legs or anywhere, if you are keeping the turmeric paste or turmeric powder upon that wound, it will be healing. Okay, it is used to heal the wounds. Paspu. It is very, very good medicine to heal the wounds. Clove oil. It is used. It is a very, very good one for the tooth pain, toothache. Ache means pain. If you are getting the tooth pain, if you are using the clove oil, it is a very good one for tooth pain. If you are taking the ginger juice, nowadays for corona, COVID-19, so many members are using the ginger juice. They are mixing with the honey. Ginger juice which is mixed with the honey, it can cure cough. If you are getting a mild cough or a severe cough, if you are mixing the ginger juice, ginger means allam, juice with honey, tene. If you are mixing both this one, and if you are taking in the early morning after your brushing your teeth, early morning if you are taking this ginger juice mixed with honey, it can, you will be curing with the cough, can cure, cough can go away. Okay, that is the plants. These are the plants. These are having the medicinal value equal to the medicine. Okay, already you know the, just you go to the kitchen and ask your mummy about, give to show me the ginger, turmeric, clove, and just you ask, she will give you, so that you can understand it easily, children. Okay, just I will show you the diagram how the ginger is, everything. Here ginger is like this: ginger, allam, clove, lavangam, turmeric, just you see here, turmeric. Okay, okay children, this is about the medicines and fibers, everything. In the next class we will discuss about the other useful products. Okay children, the homework for you is, today's homework is just write about the medicines names, that is medicines, the plants which are having medicinal value, fiber names, from where we are getting the fibers, from plants, which plants, and also beverages, wood and oil. Okay, examples and whatever you understood in this class, just you write and send me the picture. This is today's homework for you. Okay children, bye for today's class.